Kepulauan Fibro, kejimtip nam ta ki result ki badai Pynmih lang ba ka official website jong Mikla Public Service Commission tikidan kumba interview teli Pynmih ka arhoi terik jong manai Agos ajar sau kini de jong ki screening test kemudian ka written exam teng pe menta ki ban poi ka personal interview kumon teng pe ki post oi koi result of screening test report of data entry operator under PHE department and in the office of the chief engineer water resources department Mikla Shillong tekane la Pynmih advertisement adu arja kar khandai ki exam pada hau arja arpsau ka result beda kami menta banai menta arpoi terik te ki bayo gede gini khadar laipo gini giru lembar try kan mau hin marba kana exam ana pang khadar laipo so voice and voice new san new control new khandai pro ar fly pro new knepsan khadar arpsan spar khandai spar fly spar san the personal interview jongane kande arpsan trek na September arjap sau shpo steng step Hapoh office of the Mikla Public Service Commission te kini candidate ki bala yo gila sajid qualify nam ta personal interview te kisakan mau wan download ya ka letter nam ta personal interview sakoi pat kane pada jong result of the screening test to the post of assistant engineer electrical under PWD R&B Mikla December 2021 advertisement gede arjar huai ke exam gede khasan trik jun arjar sau te ka result kami minta manai ki bayo kini ba qualify nam ta personal interview roll number sau pra khandai khadar live khandai sau pra khandai san po khandai ka personal interview nam ta kane gede arp sau tarik September arjar sau suppose step haka office jongka Mpsc Mikla Public Service Commission te sakan mau ban download jika letter nam ta personal interview sakane by way kane bade kade result of the screening test to the post of assistant chemist under PHE department July 2019 held on 28 May is hereby declared the following number are declared to have qualified kini ki number ahne way nyo khat phar voice of fly san rupo and rusan yupsan ka personal interview nam ta kina ka post kande khat phar tarik September jarap sau shpo shiteng step Hapoh office of the Mikla Public Service Commission teki balalong qualify kin sa download hi ya ka intimation letter na po ka official website Skoi part the result of the screening test to the post of statistical assistant in the office of the chief engineer public health engineering PHE Mikhalia Shillong November 2019 held on 5 June is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for the personal interview Neraju Prabsan Knefwis Palipsan Person Kandais Paknefway Arspa Arnyaway Arnyosau Lai Arsan Sound not pra kini roll number ki balak qualify ka personal interview kan long khat new tarik September ajar sau shpo shi teng Hapoh office jongka Mpsc sakane bar kawai the result of the screening test to the post of superintendent training for safe employment of women in need of care and protection in the social welfare department December 2020 held on 29 May is hereby declared ki roll number ki balak qualify nam ta personal interview di long propose pa ars pa khadway pa khandai pa life new pa life price pa life khandai anon driu Linon driu lai nhiều ka personal interview kan long khandai direct September arjar sau shposteng Hapoh office jongka Mpsc te candidate kin haban download hi kata intimation letter kine ki bala qualify nam ta ka personal interview skoi part result of screening test the post of junior engineer grade 1 electrical under PhD department July 2019 held on 1st June is hereby declared kini kron number la qualify nam ta ki nam ta ka personal interview khat pra san sau prasan pra pa sau pa khanyo life ways pa so banyo so price person ways person sau pa new far pa new flies pa new sau pa khnef way personal interview will be held on 20 September 2024 at 10:30 am Hapoh office jongka Mpsc building te tangine hi ki jing tip ni candidate ki bala qualify nam ta ka personal interview in sa download hi ya ki intimation letter nam ta ka personal interview tangine jing tip kepulauan